Hey guys, yeah, this is one of my videos, blogs. Yeah, and today I'm with my dog. There he is, the dog. Yeah, so I'm just keeping the camera still today because like I'm gonna be with my dog. So yeah, where's your ball, mate? There it is. Where's ball? Do you wanna, mate? Yeah. Oh yeah, we got no question on Facebook or song of the day. And as you can see, this video is in my own new house. Well, not my own, but... Do you want it? Go get it. I'll get it. There you go. He eventually got it. So yeah, I want to be with my dog today because you've never seen him before. Most of you have if you watch these videos and you've come to my house. So yeah, not much of a video this time, but still. It's just like a video so you can see my dog, you know. The dog. Yeah. So well, see you guys later. And oh, for this, I'm only saying, sorry that I haven't got a video yet because my internet's been down for 2 weeks. So got another week left, which is the week of half term. Yeah. So yeah. Who's that? Yeah. So I'll see you guys later then. Alright. Bye. Oh, I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back next week, of course, on the Wednesday. Alright? I don't know what date it is because I haven't looked, but I know it's going to be Wednesday. So, see you guys later. And bye. See ya.